Lost souls, oh, and the low end, fucking with the old ones, you gon' get fucked over. Ferraris and Rovers,
Yo guys, this is Sotw of Purge. Welcome to my Let's Play, and yeah, let's open our Purge key. What we got from the admin owner, and yeah, we should have really checked what we could have got from it, but it doesn't matter. Let's see what we're gonna get. Got a Fortune 5 GG Efficiency 5 Fortune 5. Oh my god guys, this is OP. I'm gonna go mining with a faction, and yeah, oh my god, that's insane. Yo guys, I'm back and I just mined all this, and this took me like 10 minutes. Literally go sell all this so we can go and get a wrench or whatever. But literally look guys, like there's a real big faction here, and this is going to be a pretty good SOTW in my opinion. We saw this, and we've always got 199 levels, so we can make quite a bit of sets. So yeah, I'll record when we get to spawn and sell all this, see how much money we get. Yo guys, I am back. It's been quite a while since I recorded a clip, but if you go /FU, we are literally getting a power fac ready. F list, I'm gonna have a look at all the factions. We're up there, era. And yeah, if you guys want to join, if you in the TeamSpeak what we recruit from will be in the description below. But we're not gonna give the actual faction TeamSpeak out because, you know, we don't want randoms joining and giving away the TeamSpeak. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do now. Basically smelting glass, and I'm gonna go mining and just chill, listen to some music. I don't know if I'm gonna carry on the episode from for today, like for tomorrow, man. I don't know, but it'll be like 2 seconds for you guys anyway. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this Let's Play, and yeah, see you in the next clip. Yo guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to you know, tell you guys something. I did just die like 2 seconds, like 30 minutes ago, so I bought 30 lives, and it took me like 30 minutes to get those lives. And yeah, I don't have to show any details because it did say that I bought the lives. It just didn't give it me for some reason, but you know, things happen like that. And yeah, I've got these 2 keys. I'm literally, my friend 250 or ETB, he just what is it, he's just applied for stuff and he got it, and he'll be playing, but his main focus is being stuff, and maybe we could get stuff one day on here, maybe next map, but I'm more focused on the map than anything. So we're gonna go sell the gold, and I'm gonna open these 2 keys. One was 250s, one's with another guy, but I'm just gonna like probably give him a life or something, because I only had to use 1 and I would have 1 left. But yeah, I'll meet you guys when I'm at spawn. Right guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna open the legendary keys. Let's see if we could get anything cool out of these. We're on 1 protection, 1 boots. Oh, I'm breaking. Let's see what we could get out there. We could potentially get a looting, a god pickaxe, or any. We could get ranks out of this as well. Oh my god, if we got a rank out of this, that would be so cool. Oh, we got 16 pearls, that's cool. So yeah, not the best, but they were pretty thick. And yeah, I'm gonna sell some gold. How much is that? 16 is $1,000. Sell the rest. F home. Oh, why am I up here? Oh yeah, this is gonna be our sky base. I'm literally going to finish this off. It's me and 250 we're gonna do this, but you know, obviously stuff now, he's got more. What? That lag though. I die from that. Ooh. What? Lagmondo. Oh, lag. I'm recorded that as well. That lag. Oh boys, I need to get this lag sorted out. Oh, just had a mini heart attack. Oh. Why did you just jump down? Whoa. Right boys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please can we smash 6 likes on this, and that'll be most appreciated. And yeah, stay tuned for the next episode on this Let's Play, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.